Guys, you won't believe it. I found out how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026. So this works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, we got the joystick. We got the bar on the right side of the screen. This shows us the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So if I go to the settings, I can actually change the speed my character walks, which is super cool. But there's many other features as well. So we've got the joystick. So I'm going to go with the settings and I'm just going to turn this on. So let me just turn on the joystick. So now I can walk around the Pokemon world from my house, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. It's super cool, guys. So this totally works. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. Now, before we do this, we need to get the trainer code from the settings. So make sure you guys copy your trainer code. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the website where we can get this. So the website is called spooferlab.com. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. So once you're on this website, you just want to press the button that says inject spoofer now, and it's going to download it. So before this finishes, there's going to be like a thing that says your account trainer code. So put that in and then select your platform. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And at the end, it is going to basically have you do like a verification thing, like due to high traffic, but I already did it, so I don't have to do that. But as you can see, it says select custom edition or full, so I'm going to go ahead and press continue, and now it's going to load up. So as you can see, it says like initializing and all this stuff, so just give it a minute to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. So let's just give it a second. So you can see it says checking account standing and all this stuff. So I'm just going to let it load. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's going to show us the verification thing, but I already did it. So I'm going to go ahead and press verify now, and it's going to say it's like completed. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. So let's just see what happens. And it should bring us to that page that says successful. So as you can see, guys, it worked. So be sure to try this out. It's super cool. But that's how to get the spoofer for your device. So you get all the settings, you get the joystick, you get the bar. So there's also favorites, which is huge cities full of Pokemon. You can actually go ahead and teleport to. So that is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. If you press on a Pokemon on the bar, it will take you towards it, which is super cool. So there's so many settings to enjoy here, guys. It's crazy. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, another one is enhanced throw. So this gives you like 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right, which is super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. So this is super cool. So I'll see you later and peace out.